Morning, everyone. So first project of the day is working on this dirt pan for the skid steer. Customer had some cracked welds right here, as you can see where it's separated. Wasn't really heavily reinforced in the factory, so I'm going to take this, clean it up with a grinder, stitch it up with some 7018s. So we got a little work to do. I heat it up with a rosebud and a torch. You can see where it's separated on that side and over there in the corner. So same thing going on. Let's get on the clock and get to it. Alright, as you can see here, got everything mostly cleaned up with the burr motor. So I've got a little bit of arc gouging to do, like right here in this corner. And same thing on the opposite side and right there. You can see where I cleaned it out a little bit with the burr motor. There's a crack right there. So just a little bit of arc gouging. I put a bevel on this outside edge. I'm going to bevel it both sides if I can, before it gets welded up, make it stronger. Because just putting it back in place, it's gonna break again. So got to prep it correctly before we move on. So let's get to it. All right, here's the progress of it. Sorry I didn't get any in-process videos of it. I didn't bring my stand with me. I was kind of crunched for time. Used a rosebud, heated up. Got it pretty close. You can still see a crack right there that I'm going to have to grind out with a burr motor. The fit up's close. It's still got a little bit of tweaking to do, I think. Get it cleaned up with the wire grinder, the buffing wheel. So that is the first side, and the inside. So what I'm going to actually do, again, I've got more work to do with the grinder on that. But what I'm going to do, once this is welded up, I'm going to grind the inside of the dirt pan flush, and then I'm going to take some 3/8 plate to cover over that, just because that's a high stress area. And what I'm also going to do is weld up from like this corner, that corner there, to that corner, just to reinforce it, give it a little bit more strength. So let's get back on the clock and get after it. Hey, thank you everyone for watching. So it was great to have you. So stay tuned for more videos from Brent with Cameron Fabrications. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video.